Yay! Alright, I am okay with it. Not that close. Why am I not looking very good? Oh! Girl! Girl, what the heck did you say to me? Enough of the stupid CP private disgusting stuff! What the hell did I just see? OMG. Looks like this is me and tired. Which I hear tired things when I say, man, I'm tired of these videos already that I have to upload. It makes me very laugh. This is me and dizzy. It's like I have to vomit in the toilet. Oh god, I got dizzy. I need to vomit in the toilet, so I don't want to be dizzy again. It's like I'm tired, so I guess I have to go to sleep.